Well done. Well done. I heard the news. You guys have killed the target this time also, ne? Well done, Machan. Yeah, Machan. Thank you. Thank you. It's actually been few good months for us. Peter, Yahoo. The team has been working really hard. But Machan, I'm telling you, Munlava Ulu, Tiagan Depa, it's going to be a tough deal for you if you do that. Huh? I? Why would you say that? I bang. Appraisal like, hey, if every bugger comes and asks you the highest rating, what are you going to do? Hey, Machan, hey, again. I think end of the day, these guys are the guys who did the job. Ne? It's not fair for me to penalize them for no reason. I think when it comes to appraisal, I'll actually rate them for what they deserve. And even the last time, Machan, this is a fear that we have. Last time also, Machan, I actually did it very fairly, and the company rewarded the guys who they have to reward to. I'll continue to do that, Machan. The moment that you stop doing that, I'm not going to see the results that they're giving me today.